Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to generate similar images to what you'll find on Ideogram, be it your own images or from the community, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's get designing. So there are, in fact, two ways to do this. The first way, we're going to go ahead and generate an image. All right, so I've got an eagle flying over a mountain. There's a reason I've made it simple. You can go over to the right hand side. You can change the magic prompt to be on or off. We can also change the aspect ratio. I'm going to go and put it in 69. We can change the visibility model, and then I want to just change the color palette here as well. I want to just make it pastel. That's fantastic. On the bottom here, we're going to change what it looks like. So let's make it 3D. That's amazing. And let's generate this image. All right, fantastic. We've got our images. It's generated 4 images for us. So let's have a look at one of these images. This looks pretty good. Okay, I like this one over here, and this is the one I'm going to use. So the first way is to go over to the right hand side, and there is a remix button. Let's go and click on remix. Now, what happens with remix is it takes your prompt and it takes your image, and it allows you to add to your prompt, and you can change what this image will look like. But you're going to keep your prompt in here so that it is similar still to this image. Now, the image weight, you can see it's currently on 50. You can move it all the way down to 1, and you can change it up to 100. Essentially, what this image weight means is how much of the influence of the image will be used to generate the next image. So let us just say, like, if we go down, right, it's going to use less of this image. So you can see it's now also used my prompt, which is the magic prompt, not the prompt that I put in there. We can add to it if we'd like to, but for now, I'm going to just change the design. We can just say, we can change it to design, and let's just say remix. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to take this image and it's going to change it slightly, and you'll see now that it's similar to this image, even though it's in a different style. The idea is similar. It will still be an eagle, it'll be over the mountains and so forth. You can see now, let's go to our images that have been generated. This is now what it looks like. It is very similar. Now, the second way of doing this is going to the explore page, where you can see the community of images. Okay, and you can see now that there are tons of images that you can view that have been created by the community. Let's go ahead and choose an image, and you can remix this image as well. You can either click on remix, or you can go ahead and copy the magic prompt or the prompt, the input prompt that was made by the user. If you go ahead and say remix, go and click on that, you can see over here, you can now change certain elements. So let's say an old woman with short blonde hair, and you can change whatever other details you want. You can also change the style and the color palette. Let's just, for fun, let's change the color palette, and let us go ahead and remix. And here we go, are our images. So it is similar in terms of the style. Of course, you can see that this woman is somewhat a little bit older, and they made a bit of a change with the hair, but not too much. And there you go. You've got 2 ways now of making similar images within Ideogram.